All right, day number 15 of the 2022 Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar. Let's go ahead and move on and do day number 15 here. It's kind of fun little projects to do, especially if you've got kids. These are bite-sized pieces that are easy. I shouldn't say bite-sized pieces with kids. These are small little projects that you can easily get their attention, keep their attention for. That being said, the instructions here are not very, what's the best way to say this? Not as complete as I would like all the time. So you gotta definitely know what you're doing and put the pieces together in your head as far as what you're gonna need to be doing here. All right, so we've got, looks like a gray one here. We've got an arm here. Looks like a red here. I know that kind of looks orange, but that's definitely red. And then we'll put this one here. And we're gonna need another one of these. Gray goes on the bottom. Okay, this, I need another, there we go. This is gonna go like this. Out the front, I think. It's gonna go like this. And then this, and then this goes like this. It's coming together. Okay, now we just need to figure out how to put this guy together. And then, let's see what we got here. Okay. And then this is going to go like this, and this is going to go like this. Just kind of trying to piece this together. I guess it's a little off the screen there. That's going to go like that, and that's going to go like that. We're going to need that. Looks like we don't have another one of these, so it's probably going to be a lot like this. Like that, I'm guessing. That's about right. And that'll go like that. Good. And then this one will go down here. And this one will go over here. And this will go here. And then, looks like the light one goes on the bottom. That's going to go like that. How cool is that? All right, we'll do that again. Top and bottom look to be about the same, so it doesn't really matter how you do this. Just want to make sure that they're going the right way. And light one on the bottom. And there we go. That is actually, that might be my favorite vehicle so far. We got 3 extra pieces there. That is super cool. I like that a lot. Awesome. All right, so as you can see, that was day number 15 right there. Moving on to day number 16 tomorrow.